Burns are one of the most common injuries, but most can be prevented with the right precautions. Understanding the causes and ways to prevent burns in different settings can protect us and those around us. This guide provides essential tips for preventing burns at home, work, in vehicles, and beyond. The home is a common place for burn injuries, especially in the kitchen. To prevent burns, keep hot liquids and cooking utensils out of children's reach, turn pot handles inward, and never leave cooking unattended. Ensure all smoke alarms are functional, and keep a fire extinguisher nearby. In the bathroom, set water heater temperatures below 120 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent scalding during showers. Cooking-related burns are frequent. Use oven mitts, avoid loose clothing around flames, and use the back burners when possible. Don't overcrowd the stove, and avoid splattering oil by gently placing food into hot oil. Did you know? Stainless steel or silicone cookware is less likely to overheat compared to aluminum. Also, always have a lid nearby to smother small grease fires safely. Hot water scalds are a leading cause of burns, especially in children and the elderly. Install anti-scald devices on faucets and showers, and never leave young children unattended in the bath. Avoid using electrical devices like hair dryers near water sources. Interestingly, Japan has advanced technology in baths, where water temperatures are preset to safe levels to prevent scalding accidents. Prevent fires by keeping flammable materials away from open flames, and use flame-retardant curtains and furniture if possible. In case of a candle mishap, place candles in sturdy holders and blow them out before leaving the room. A surprising fact, 42% of home fires start in the kitchen, but many start in bedrooms due to unattended candles or smoking. Keep fire safety in mind throughout your home. Electrical burns can happen if wires are frayed or appliances are malfunctioning. Regularly inspect cords, avoid overloading power outlets, and keep electrical devices away from water. Cover unused outlets if children are present. Unplugging devices when not in use also prevents overheating. Interesting tidbit, most electrical fires happen in December, often due to holiday decorations like lights and heaters. Burns in workplaces, especially in kitchens, factories, and laboratories, can be severe. Wear protective clothing, follow equipment instructions, and handle chemicals carefully. Employees should receive regular safety training on burn prevention. Factories should have emergency showers in chemical-prone areas. Did you know that over 20,000 workplace burn injuries are reported annually in the US alone? Proper training is essential for preventing these injuries. Chemical burns are common in labs. Always wear safety goggles, gloves, and aprons when handling chemicals. Make sure chemicals are stored correctly, and avoid mixing unknown substances. Keep a neutralizing agent nearby, example baking soda for acids. In case of contact, wash with water immediately. Tip: label all chemicals, even the most common ones, to prevent accidental mishandling. Burns in vehicles often come from overheated surfaces like seat belts and metal parts, especially in hot climates. Use windshield shades to keep the car cooler, and test surfaces before children enter. Keep lighters and flammable items out of the car, as temperatures inside can exceed 150 degrees Fahrenheit on sunny days. Fun fact, in hot weather, a parked car can heat up by 40 degrees Fahrenheit within 30 minutes, even with windows cracked. Outdoor burns often occur during barbecues and campfires. Keep children and pets at a safe distance, and never leave fires unattended. Use long-handled tools to manage flames and avoid adding accelerants like gasoline. Interesting fact: more than 5,000 campfire-related injuries happen yearly. Smother campfires with water and dirt before leaving to prevent wildfires. Fireworks are beautiful but risky. Light fireworks one at a time and keep a safe distance. Always keep water nearby, and never attempt to relight a dud firework. Did you know? Sparklers burn at over 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than glass melts. This makes them extremely dangerous for young children, so consider safer alternatives like glow sticks. Children and elderly people are more vulnerable to burns. Keep hot drinks out of reach and teach children about hot surfaces. Elderly individuals may have slower reflexes, making burns more serious. Ensure they have easy access to fire safety tools and functional smoke alarms. Tip: use no-touch faucet controls for added safety with hot water. Did you know that burn injuries from curling irons and hair straighteners are common among teenagers? Educating teens on safe use is vital. Another interesting fact: placing a screen in front of fireplaces and wood stoves can prevent accidental burns, especially in homes with young children or pets. Certain habits can increase burn risks. Avoid smoking in bed, keep space heaters clear of flammable items, and never leave stovetop cooking unattended. Using flammable cleaning agents near open flames is also a burn hazard. Avoid quick fixes like placing electronics near water sources or overloading outlets, as these can lead to serious accidents. Simple habits can reduce burn risks: place lids on pots to prevent splashing, avoid hot drinks around children, and double-check appliances before use. Use pot holders, avoid reaching over hot surfaces, and unplug devices when not needed. These small changes can make a big difference. Preventing burns requires awareness and small daily habits. By making homes and workplaces burn-proof, we can protect ourselves and loved ones from these painful and sometimes life-threatening injuries. With these tips, everyone can make burn safety a priority. Thank you for learning about burn prevention. With knowledge and care, we can create safer environments and prevent burns from impacting our lives.